The Mac desktop functions just like the one on Windows computer, but it has many different elements unique for a Mac. And mastering and customizing them the way which fits you the most is the best way how to speed up your workflow and save a lot of time. I am Luke, and I teach people every day how to use their Apple devices to be more productive. If it sounds like you, click the subscribe button so you don't miss out any future tips. In this series, we will have a look at the very beginning of using Mac. If you are already familiar with basics, you can have a look at some more advanced tutorials which you will find on the channel. These videos will be short and informative, so you can get the most in the shortest time possible. So let's start! First thing you will always have on your desktop is the strip on top, which is called menu bar. It gives you access to various commands and settings depending on the app you are using. I will show you how to use menu bar icons and control center in one of the next videos. But for now, let's see the first one. Click on the Apple icon on the very top left corner and you will get access to some very important locations. For example, system preferences, which is something like a control panel of Windows. Here you can change all your computer settings. Next here is App Store, which is the place you can download new applications. And you can also find some other information about your Mac here. And also, from this menu you can put your computer to sleep, restart it, or shut it down. On Windows you have to use My Computer to access your files. You usually have the icon for it on the desktop, but on the Mac the files viewer is called Finder. And it's this very first smiley icon in the dock. Yes, this horizontal list of icons here at the bottom is called the dock. And it actually has a lot more functionality and other customizations than it seems. If you follow this series of videos, you will learn all about it. But let's just focus on the basics for now. On the desktop itself, you can put files and folders and move them around and organize things how you like. Same way as it works on Windows. I like to keep it clean. But if you are more traditionalist and want to store files on the desktop, it's perfectly fine. You can even get a Finder folder there if you open Preferences for Finder and select Show Hard Disk on the desktop. So it will work like My Computer icon now. But if you really want to master macOS, you should use shortcuts. By pressing Command+N, it will open new Finder window instantly, so you don't need to click on any icon anymore. There is a huge library of useful shortcuts on the Mac. And I have created a free course about Mac shortcuts for people who are just starting with Mac computer. In 100 videos, you will learn more than 100 shortcuts, and it's all for free. If you are interested, I'll leave you a link in the description. Did you know that you also have a right-click menus on the Mac? It's called secondary click, but it works exactly the same as your mouse right-click. Tap on your touchpad with 2 fingers, and let's change the desktop background now. As you can see, macOS is actually very simple if you know where to look. But luckily, if you subscribe to Apple Online Academy, you will learn all about it. This is Luke, and I will see you in the next video.